Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got the Nasdaq down about 0.3%. Looks like we have a little wedge here forming. So we have Valley Area High from yesterday. This is the 200-day moving average. So we got overnight high. Just bounced off of point of control from yesterday, so interested to see what happens there when we open up here. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, I think if we lose point of control here, we're going down to Valley Area low. Interesting to note, we did make a lower low, a much lower low yesterday. That's really good to see. Really strong moves yesterday, about 2%. If we go and look at the range chart, actually, let me get my music started. Sorry about that. We need some tunes. There we go. All right, and then we do have some chop right now. So the 5 keeps on crossing up and down on the 21. Starting to look a little bearish. We are in a mini downtrend here. If we happen to break this, I'm looking for a long, possibly up to Valley Area High. As long as we have to hold point of control here. Looking kind of heavy right here, but nonetheless it looks okay. We go look at the range chart here. So we got that purple line up there. That's the high from the 30th, March 30th. Red line below it is the 200-day. Point of control from the 30th that has not been tested on the live session. And then Valley Area High. Point of control, Valley Area Low. It's point of control from Thursday. So, a lot of support under us. Pretty powerful move yesterday. I'm not 100% sure where we're going to go today, so I'm going to be patient and just be careful and try to trade pretty light today. Broke my 10 trade rule yesterday, so I will be looking to trade a little bit less. But yeah, let's say our creed and have a day. Remember, this is a life-changing opportunity. Do not treat it like something that can be discarded due to your ego, pride, and emotions. Success is dependent on your ability to stick to your rules. Therefore, always be aware of the responsibility you bear in keeping yourself accountable. We got 30 seconds. The market's going to open up here. And let's have ourselves a profitable day. All right. So this candle looks kind of heavy. Right at point of control from yesterday, so could go either way right now. We're going to open up here in 2 seconds. So I think if we break this trend line would be interesting. So nice bounce of point control. Gonna look for a retest to go long. Gonna bring up the range chart here. Yeah, this is looking pretty strong. We have to remember though, we are in a bit of a try to go long here. We're in a bit of a downward channel, so data looks all right. Going up to point of control now. No way I can lose on this trade. Just gonna be patient and hold it. We're out $20. Point of control came back down. Looking a little heavy on Delta. I was hoping that we would go and at least test VWAP. Seems like we're just chopping here. We are making higher lows. We're trending upwards a bit. We're also making lower highs. So until we break out of whichever way, just a lot of chop right now. I'm gonna try to be patient. And there's that. And there's that. Maybe morning sessions, I can't move my stops up. It's looking kind of bearish, but I don't want to sell this breakout. These are pretty top heavy wicks. Delta's getting kind of heavy. So we could just pop like no other to got really close to VWAP here. Just gonna be patient. I'm just gonna watch what happens on this retest of point of control and the breakout. Might buy this trend. We'll see. So it looks more like a channel now than a triangle. Wow. Right down to point valley area low. It's looking kind of heavy. Maybe we should have shorted that. These really top heavy wicks. Control from yesterday. Let's see what happens here. We are trying to get back above it. We broke this channel here. Kind of all over the place right now. ES is just pumping though. It's just pumping. I'm gonna go long here. ES is still pumping. Holy buckets. I'd like to see this candle turn green. ES is still pumping up. Of course we get stopped out. I'm still bullish here. This could just be a dead cat. I'm gonna wait a bit. I'd like to see us maybe take out these lows. ES is still pumping up there. Okay, going long here. So this is my third trade already. Gotta go and grab. Very nice trade. Just gonna let this run. Yeah, ES has just made a new high. Holy buckets. Someone's very happy to buy the ES today. I'm just gonna let this run and hope that it continues upwards. I think it does, just because the ES is just pumping. Hope we don't, and we got stopped. I don't understand. NAS is just taking a hit, but the ES is just pumping up and up. I'm still interested in taking longs. Just a bit nervous that we break down here. Yeah. Well, it's a good thing we got out. Up 125 on the day. So ES is still holding strong. That candle's starting to reverse a bit though. So it looks like we want value area low. Wow. What a reversal. It's just amazing. Go from a mega pumps yesterday and then sell off right in the morning here. So we did just break this. I'm gonna just try to be patient here. Very, very wild swings, getting, stopped out pretty easily. This 5-minute candle here. Look how huge this range is. Goodness. Yes, it's still holding up here. So look at the 1 minute. Kind of see what we're looking at internally. Just a lot of back and forth. Tempted to go long here. I might add to it the ES just mega pumping. Just don't understand why the NAS is not. So I'm gonna add 2 value area high and a runner. Just gonna try to be patient. Yes, it's still pumping. Pretty confident on this trade. So I'm not gonna move my stops up just yet. I think we take out value area high. Just watching Delta. And a higher high here. It's a nice reversal candle. Just don't know if we have enough distance. We do, so I'm bringing my stops up. Just hope we don't get stopped out here. New 5-minute candle. Yeah, stopped out. Just getting stopped out today really easily. Still bullish on this move. Yes, it's just omega pumping. Don't know why the NAS is having such a hard time. Don't know what the real moves are. I'm gonna try to be patient here. Maybe we just gotta stick with scalps or something. So we're below value area low from yesterday. Nasdaq just can't catch a bounce today. I'm going to try to go long again. It's a good entry. Just going to try to be patient here. Just hope we don't break down from this. Nice reversal. Do got some buyers down here. We're at value area low. Opponent control from yesterday has been resistance and support. Just hope we don't go and take out a stop here. So they might add to it. Delta's looking kind of heavy, so I'm kind of nervous on adding to this. I just don't understand why the NAS is not bouncing with the ES. Could be that the 10-year is up 2.6% today, putting some pressure on the NAS. Delta's not looking good. Just need some buyers to come in. Just trying to be patient. Trying to be patient on this trade. Five-minute candle opening here in a couple seconds. Not looking too great. Yes, is still waiting on you, Nas. New 5-minute candle opening up here in about 15 seconds. Not liking how it looks. Bit of a reversal here. New 5-minute candle, and they try to pump it. ES is still holding up. Move my stop up. I think we pump on the ES. Just don't see why not. At least I'm hoping for a pump on the NAS. We got stopped out again. We're already at 6 trades, getting stopped out for like $50 or so. I'm still bullish. I think I just have to put my stops out a bit Just the swings are way too wild, I guess. Look at this 5-minute candle. I'm trying to reverse this. Go long again. Pretty confident that we're gonna move up. Point of control shifted downwards. That was looking a little heavy. I think I gotta be more patient on my stops. Three minutes left on this candle. Just be patient, watch what happens here. Yes, it's still hanging up there, holding up strong. Waiting on you, Nas. Just a lot of chop, goodness, so much chop. We take out these highs. So we did take out the high. Tempted to add a second here. Yes, still looking pretty strong. Waiting on the Nas to make some moves to the upside. It's just a lot of chop this morning. Quite a lot of chop. As you can see, these candles are just all back and forth. Hope we don't take out these lows. I think I might want to buy in more, but I shouldn't. I told myself yesterday I should try to stop doing that. Starting to become a habit, and plus I'm not really highly convicted on this trade. Do you see the ES pulling back a bit? Maybe the NAS is trying to tell us that the ES should come down. It just seems like we're in good area for a pump, but new 5-minute candle here in 15 seconds. Just trying to be patient, like just want to see what this trade gives us. Don't mind the entry. Could have a lot better entries, but seems like point of control from yesterday's been pretty good resistance so far, so we're sitting right at point of control from yesterday. We really got to break above that, make a meaningful move to the upside. New 5-minute candle, it's not looking great. Yeah, starting to get worried on this trade now. We might get stopped out here. Got stopped out. Let's see if it makes a lower low. Tempted to buy in here, but continue to go lower. Looks like the Nas is dragging the ES down now with it. Down 125 on the day. Kind of sucks. So let's see where. Seems like we might go to belly area low from yesterday. Maybe we gotta go with the short side today. Seems like we're just in a channel. If you look at the range chart here, we're just in this channel. So in theory, this is a good area to buy. In theory. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna just be patient here. Yeah, so we are selling off on the Nas. Looks like we gotta look for shorts today. I think a bounce makes sense though, but it looks like we want to go to valley area low from yesterday. Just don't know if we're gonna get there. Yeah, it looks like valley area low from yesterday. That's what we're gonna go test on the Nas. Just too far. Too far to look for a short entry. Broke this channel. Could be coming up to retest it to go lower. Just we've sold off so much now though. It's just I don't want to be taking shorts at the moment. Seems like we're a bit overextended. What happened to all the bulls yesterday? We were so excited to buy. Where'd they all go? Where'd all the bulls go? What happened to the bulls? So we're trying to consolidate here. It could be rejection off this bottom channel. Possibly to go to valley area low. We want to adjust it. We do have this, which could act as resistance. I'm looking at this. So we're trying to consolidate here. New 5-minute candle. Bounce up makes sense. So we rejected point of control from yesterday, rejected today's point of control, rejected valley area low. So what in the market causing everyone to panic on tech shares? Thinking about going long. I just don't know though. Should probably stay with the short side today. Look for short entries. Yeah, Delta's looks okay. So we're starting to build a volume shelf here. Could just be a flag to go lower. Do have this little shelf here that's going to be resistance, as you can see here. Entering here wouldn't be too bad, but you're risking, that we take out these lows and go down further. I think it looks okay to go long here, back within the channel again. Just my risk tolerance. How much do I want to risk? Do I want to risk that much? I don't know. Let's see if we get, some kind of a bounce here. Sold off quite a lot. How confident am I on this bounce? Pretty confident. Willing to go 2 and get out here at point of control and value area low. Two minutes left of this candle. Pretty confident we bounce from here. So I'm going to take those out. I know I shouldn't. I have my hand on the trigger. The ES is doing pretty well. Minor pullback, maybe a resumption up from here. The NAS kind of looks like it might be a dead cat bounce. Now that I look at the minute chart, nice little bump up, could head down lower. That's the only risk right now. But I think we do get a bounce, just a nice little bounce. See, we need a nice green candle here. Looks like we're struggling a bit here. Delta's looking pretty good though. Made higher delta, did not make a higher price. So if that isn't a good sign, ES isn't coming back. Nice comeback on the ES. We could come back down here, make a lower low, resume up. That could happen too. Delta's looking pretty good. I think a lot of the sellers might be out. Made a higher high. New 5-minute candle formed. See how it looks. Trying to come back here. Just gonna try to be patient. Delta's looking pretty good. As long as there's no big sellers here, we should come back up. Delta's looking pretty good. think I'm gonna go with point of control and point of control from yesterday. Areas to get out. Now we're starting to see some delta sellers. Made a lower low, did not make a lower delta low. Again, I said no, 2 contracts is a lot. This is why I take on a lot of risk. So we're gonna, hit value area low from yesterday, did not make a lower delta. So that's a really good sign. Really strong bounce off a value area low from the previous day. Now we're on the upside. Wow. So that's a nice shakeout. Really nice shakeout. And that delta bounce. Wow. Probably put in my stops now. So we're going up to point of control. See what happens there. We're out of 1. There's no way we can lose on this trade. Just might trail this. Maybe value area high. Actually, get out there. So I got out initial exit that I wanted. So we wanted point of control from yesterday. So we have point of control from yesterday. That's where I got out. And point of control from today. Those were my 2 targets. I did want to just keep it running, but I saw this kind of reversal, nice rejection. So I took out my order there. Really difficult today. ES just made new highs. Wow, just amazing. If you guys are trading the ES, congrats today. Like ES is just omega pumps. NAS is definitely lagging. NAS is having a pretty darn hard time. Pretty convicted that this was going to do what I thought it was. We have a lot of distribution up here. We have a lot of distribution up here, a lot of orders that the NAS would be attracted to. ES was starting to come back up really strong. It did not follow the ES on this move up, which was like why we had our losing trades. But honestly, I would probably take the same trade, because when you see this sort of, the S&P is pretty much the heart of the market. And when you see this one pumping up, sentiment is going to be, on the bullish side. So I'd probably take this trade again. It's a good trade in my opinion. Maybe waiting for a better entry for sure, but I thought this was a pretty good trade, in my opinion. A lot of scratch trades. This one took out all of our profits from the scratch trade. And look at that. Wow. Good thing we got out there. So we were just looking for a minor move up. And look at this. Wow. We got out right at the top. Like right at the top. Either that's luck or just... It's probably luck. No. Either it's luck or skill. One or the other, right? I guess the luck is it reversing. The skill is getting out right at the top. Pretty happy with that trade. Goodness. If you guys are looking for shorts on the NAS, congrats. short off of point of control from yesterday. Perfect short. I think I'm going to call it there, guys. 9:15 on the day. Pretty choppy morning session. Look at all this back and forth. But looks like people want to sell the NAS today. 10-year yields at 3.5%. That's probably what's causing the NAS to have such big moves lower. Like, wow, look at these candles. Just incredible. So we had this really nice bounce off value area low from yesterday. That's what did it. That's what caused the momentum to just skyrocket us up here. Probably should have waited for that actual test, but it's okay. Hindsight, it was looking really good here. Got out red at the top. Really happy with that trade. Bunch of scratch trades in here. They did serve their purpose. They did allow us to just take this loss without having too much, on the table. Look at our performance center. 77% win rate, 22% lose rate. Although this ratio, a lot of these were just $20, $10.95, 40, 20. If you're actually looking at it, we have about 900 profit to 300 loss. So really happy with this day. Losing trades 310. We have 9 winning trades for 915. I think I'm done for the day. We are continuing to sell off on the NAS. And now the ES has followed. ES cannot stay up if the NAS decides to sell off. We just hit point of control. This point of control from Friday? Yeah, point of control from Friday, it seems. Which is not good. Have not made a lower low yet, technically, but this sell-off is looking pretty darn heavy. Would have been a perfect short up here at the point of control, just to the T. This candle here, really nice reversal on the 1 minute, and we were below the 9 and the 21. So if you guys took the short, congrats. That's a great short. It's about what? About 80 points there. 93. Yeah, it's about 80, 90 points there. Really good short if you guys took that. Wow. I guess this might have been a trap, but made sense for me for it to bounce off of there. Had a really nice, 900. Pretty happy with that. I'm gonna call it for today. This is definitely not looking good for the bulls, but we still have a lot more room to go down because we had a 2% move yesterday. So 50% retracement. So right here, it makes sense. If we continue lower, I'd be definitely worried for the bulls. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. A bit of a shorter one today, but if you're continuing to trade, be careful out there. Make some good decisions. Stick to your rules. Stuck to mine, below 10 today. Wanted to be a little lighter, but a lot of these were scratch trades. So if you guys are continuing to trade, hope you guys have a profitable day. We're sitting right at value area low from Friday. See what happens here if the bulls step up. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a profitable day. Peace.